Did you just hit me with a shrimp tail?
When were you gonna tell us she was Sisu?
Well, technically, you always knew she was Sisu. Seriously?
Why are you here, Divine Water Dragon?
Isn't that obvious, big guy? My girl Raya and I are gonna fix the world. Bring everyone back.
You're gonna bring everyone back? I wanna help.
I'm sorry, I can't let you do that. It's too dangerous.
You're not the only one who lost family to the Drune. Please, let me help you.
I too wish to join this fellowship of Drune, but kickery.
My big brother Pengu's magic.
All right, Captain Boone. To Fang.